How to order on Postmates app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Postmates and make sure you are logged into your specific account. It will land you on this homepage. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom. In the search bar, search for the item that you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy McDonald's. Click on it. Once again, select the specific product. You can add the required items to it. And once you are done, tap on Add to Cart at the bottom. Review your order and then click on Go to Checkout. Now you will need to add your voucher code or the payment method. Let me tap on Add Payment Method. Select the payment method which is suitable for you and then make the payment. Once the payment has been done, your order will be placed successfully and within some time, your order will be delivered to you and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can order on Postman app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.